done.
What is formula for pressure exerted on the formula for kinetic energy per unit volume?
Half rho v square.
Kinetic energy per unit volume is nothing but 3 by 2 into pressure. So kinetic energy upon volume, because it is 3 by 2 P. So kinetic energy is 3 by 2 PV. Therefore, for 1 mole PV, we can write as RT. So kinetic energy per mole is 3 by 2 RT. Copy. Per unit volume 3 by 2 P, per mole 3 by 2 RT.
So,
So kinetic energy per unit volume per unit mole we got. Now kinetic energy per molecule. See, 1 mole contains Avogadro number. We want 1 molecule. So Na means for 1 mole, our kinetic energy is 3 by 2 RT. So for 1 molecule, what it will be? 3 by 2 RT upon Avogadro, correct? So kinetic energy per molecule is 3 by 2 RT upon Avogadro number, or this can be written as 3 by 2 KT, where K is Boltzmann constant. Now kinetic energy per kg equals to molecular weight is nothing but contains Avogadro number of molecule. So 1 kg will contain how many molecule? Can I say Na upon m molecule? Can I say like this? 1 kg contains Na upon m molecules.
Yes, sir.
So for 1 kg, एक molecule का answer is 3 by 2 RT by Na, and 1 kg has Na upon m molecule. So 3 by 2 RT upon Na, or you can just remember 3 by 2 RT upon molecular. So for per molecule, we are dividing by Avogadro number. Per kg, we are dividing by molecular weight. Per mole is just 3 by 2 RT. Write these two formulas. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, based on this concept, I'm starting with MCQs. Then we'll do specific heat in thermal properties. Just open the PDF. Kinetic theory of gases. Come to page number 9. First sum. Yes, all of you have reached to question number 1.
Yes, sir.
It's written, what happens to the mean free path of gas molecule when air is drawn out of the enclosure at constant temperature? So mean free path is 1 upon root 2 pi n d square. When air is removed, then number of molecules per unit volume, that is n, decreases. So wavelength path difference will, mean free path will increase. So option B. When air is removed, the number of molecule per unit volume decreases, therefore mean free path increases. Second, the first evidence in favor of molecular structure of gas came from the experimental observation of Brownian motion of colloidal particle. A. Brownian motion means zigzag or random. According to kinetic theory of gas, at absolute zero temperature, kinetic energy will become zero. So molecular motion will stop. That is C. Fourth. Kinetic theory of gas breaks down most. Breakdowns means fails. Kinetic theory of gas. So KTG fails at high pressure and low temperature. high pressure and low temperature. High pressure and low temperature options.
So where are these questions?
Ah. So you told yes, I got it.
No, I don't have them.
Who is asking this?
Sakshi.
You are not there in group.
I'm there, but then I don't see, like, can you resend it?
On Wednesday I had sent. This today's link we got from where?
From there only, from the group only.
And after 5 sums you are telling where is that? When I asked at the start only everybody is there in that page number 9. Then how you did radiation ka sums?
Wait, sir, I got it.
Right now I resended it, na?
No, I had the sheet only. I just didn't. I opened the wrong one. That's why I was confused.
Now once again I have sent. So don't take tension. Just see
Okay.
till 4th. Huh? Completed till 4th. Can I go to 5th?
Yes, sir.
5th. The motion of gas molecule which determines temperature. See, translatory motion of molecule determines temperature. So A. Every time we say translational kinetic energy is proportional to absolute temperature. A. Translational kinetic energy is proportional to absolute temperature. 6. Density of certain mass of gas at STP is rho if the pressure is doubled and temperature is made 1/3. Okay. Density in first case is rho if pressure is made double of original and temperature is made 1/3 of the initial, the new density will be how much? See, whenever gas related anything comes, you can start with directly ideal gas equation. PV equal to nR. This is obeyed by all the gas. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is V in terms of density? Can I say mass upon density?
Yes.
What is number of mole given weight upon molecular weight? Correct?
Yes.
sir.
So P by rho becomes RT upon molecular weight. Now I'm taking ratio. P1 upon P2 into rho 2 upon rho 1 will be T1 upon T2. Rest all will get cancelled because they are same. So P1 upon twice P1 rho 2 we want rho 1 is rho. Final temperature is 1/3 of initial. T1 cancel, P1 cancel. We are interested in what is new density. So rho 2 upon 2 rho equal to 3. Therefore, rho 2 equals to 6 times rho. Any doubt? Yes, clear? 6
No,
rho. Whenever gas related given pressure, volume, temperature, कुछ भी दिखा, so start with ideal gas equation. Never you will go wrong.
Done, sir.
The mean free path is defined as average distance traveled by molecule between the successive collision. Correct now? C1? Hello? Is it C?
Yes, sir.
Mean free path depends upon pressure. How? So I know rho, this mean free path is equals to 1 upon root 2 pi n d square, and pressure is 1/3 of m into number of molecules mn upon v into c square. This number of molecule per unit volume is actually called n. So P is 1/3 small m small n into c square. That means, can I say P is directly proportional to n? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And mean free path is inversely proportional to n. Therefore, mean free path is inversely proportional to pressure. That means it is P raised to -1. Option B. Done.
Yes, sir.
Two containers are filled, each with different gas. Okay. Two containers are at same temperature. Different gas, but temperature is same of two gas. Molecular weight of them are Ma and Mb. Average momentum of the molecular momentum of molecule A and B का relation चाहिए. Linear momentum is mass into RMS velocity, correct? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we can say this is 3 kT upon m ये भी थोड़ा risky लगेगा. What is same? तुम 2 मिनट में आ जाएगा आंसर. What is same?
Temperature.
Temperature same तो average kinetic energy same. ये तो मालूम है. Temperature is same, therefore average kinetic energy is constant. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
That means kinetic energy of A is same as kinetic energy of B. So half of M into C equal to half of M into C of A, half M, half MB CB into CB. What is mass into C? Is it momentum of A? This is momentum of B into CB. Any doubt till this? Hello, any doubt to this?
No, sir.
So PA upon PB is CB upon CA. This is nothing but 3RT upon molecular weight of B upon 3RT molecular weight of A in loop. 3RT cancel. So pressure momentum of A to B is molecular weight of A upon B raised to half. Just check, do we have this type of option available?
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option D, correct. वो PB print होना चाहिए उधर, print नहीं हुआ. Option D.
सर अगर वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी को p²/2m लेके करेंगे तो चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा, पर स्मॉल m का रिलेशन नहीं था ना, इसलिए मैंने वैसे नहीं किया. Done?
Yes, sir.
Then two gases A and B are at same temperature, same pressure, same volume, are mixed together. If the temperature of mixture remains unchanged and the volume occupied by it is B, then pressure of the mixture is. So whenever same temperature, same volume, that means number of mole will be N1 plus N2. Number of mole will be sum of the moles. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for PV is nRT? So can I say N is nothing but PV upon RT?
Yes.
इस सबका चेक कर लेते क्या क्या डिफरेंट है और जो सेम होगा वो कैंसिल कर दूंगा. Pressure is same given. Hello? No, pressure of mixture we want ना. तो ये final pressure, final volume B बोला है. ये PP is retaining, B will get cancelled. P will be there. RT will get cancelled. So what we are getting? Final pressure. Can I say it is 2P? That is option B. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Actually, this is like you have done mole concept chapter we are doing. Next, a gas at pressure P0 is contained in a vessel if the masses of all the molecules are half. Molecules का एक का mass half कर दिया original वाला, and velocities are doubled, then resulting pressure would be equal to how much? Original was P. What is formula for P? Can I say 1/3 of m n upon v into c square? Because pressure, mass and c का रिलेशन इसलिए ये लिखा.
Yes, sir.
First pressure upon second pressure, first का mass upon second का mass, c1 square upon c2 square. First pressure is P naught, second P bond. Mass is made half of original masses. So ये हो गया half of m1. c1 square upon 2 c1 का square means 4 times c1 square. m1 m1 c1 square cancel. So P naught upon P2 will be 2 by 4. Therefore P2 is 2 times P naught. Answer P2 is double of 2 times. Double of P naught. That is option C. Done?
Sir, done.
Yes. Root means square speed of gas molecule at equilibrium. At equilibrium means temperature is constant. So RMS velocity is proportional to root E. Pressure is 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The density of oxygen is 1.4 kg meter raised to -3. Then mean square speed of oxygen will be how much? P is 1/3 rho c square. So C is 3p by rho in rho. 3 into 10 raised to 5 upon 1.4. That is approximately 2 into 10 raised to 4. If I take this as 1.5, so slightly greater than this because I have taken 1.5. So 1.414 into root 10 into 10 raised to 2. So root 10, if you know, it is close to 3. So 4 point, okay, 3 into 10 raised to 2. So 4.2 approximately into 10 raised to 2. So it should be greater than 4,200. 4.2 into 100 will become 420. right? क्या देखते हैं 420 के आसपास में? Yes. Option A.
Done, sir.
Next. 14. 5 molecules of gas are moving with speed of 5 molecules of gas are moving with speed of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 kilometer per second. What is their RMS velocity? It is C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square plus C4 square plus C5 square upon 5. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square upon 5. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 upon 5. That is equals to root of 5 and 9, 14. 14 and 16 will become 30. So it is 55 upon 5, which is root of 11. Root 11 is in options.
Done.
Sir, 1 minute.
Huh?
I'm writing.
So tomorrow, what time you all are free? Any time can you give me? I have to just compensate for yesterday's lecture. Aslisha,
Sorry.
what evening? Hello?
Yes, sir. Evening will be fine.
No, sir. We have chemistry lecture.
But throughout the day, you won't have any lecture, na? I am asking about free timing. Some free timing you have? Any time? Morning, evening, afternoon, night, early morning?
I don't have any lecture tomorrow, so any time is okay for me.
Okay, beta.
Yes.
Those who are having chemistry, what is your timing of lecture?
So 5:30 to 7:30.
5:30 to 7:30 you have lecture.
Yes.
So can we make 3:30 to 4:30? Is it applicable? Everybody is free during that time?
No, sir. We have bio also. 2 to 5.
So one you are telling here. First you told chemistry, then you are telling bio.
So in the morning we are free.
Morning 9 to 10. Will it be okay for everybody?
Sir, 8 to 9 we have 9 to 10 is okay. Yeah.
9 to 10, is it okay for every student?
Yes, sir.
This time,
So
yeah.
9 morning 9 to 10. Yes, Sakshi?
Yeah, sir, okay.
चलेगा क्या आप लेट पढ़ते हो और सुबह लेट उठते हैं?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा
मतलब नहीं चलेगा 9 बजे 10 बजे रखो 10 से 11
सर 12:30 नहीं चलेगा आपको?
12:30 ना एक मिनट मेरा तो लेक्चर है कि है 12:30 बोल रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जेनिफर फॉर यू 12:30 इज ओके 12:30 जेनिफर
No, sir, 9 to 10.
9 to 10
Yes, sir.
अदर स्टूडेंट यस अनिकेत 9 to 10 कर दे क्या
Yes, sir. चलेगा.
चलो 9 to 10 एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर सबको चलेगा ना ये
Yes,
यश यश आपको यश
यस सर चलेगा
चलेगा मैं आपको 8 बजे एक बार मिस्ड कॉल दे देता हूँ ना तो आप उठ जाएंगे
ओके
चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट completed 14th come to
Yes.
15th 15th the RMS velocity of molecule of gas at 27 degrees Celsius is 300 meter per second. The RMS velocity we want at temperature of 927 degrees Celsius. देखते हैं T1 27, C1, C2 we want. This is T2. 27 means 300 Kelvin, and 927 plus 273 is 1200 Kelvin. C is proportional to root of T. C1 upon C2 is root of T1 upon T2. C1 is 300, C2 I don't know, T1 is 300, T2 is 1200, 304. So 300 upon C2 is 1 by 2, C2 is 600. Option. At a given temperature, velocity of oxygen and hydrogen are in what ratio? Velocity for gas I am writing C. So we know that C is 3 RT upon molecular weight. C of oxygen upon C of hydrogen is molecular weight of hydrogen upon molecular weight of oxygen. Molecular weight of hydrogen 2, oxygen 32, 16. That means it is 1 by 4. 1:4, option B. Yes, done I think.
Yes.
The temperature at which oxygen molecule has same RMS velocity as helium molecule at NTP. Helium molecule at NTP. Okay, this is 3 RT upon molecular weight. 3 RT upon molecular weight. Helium, helium, oxygen, oxygen. 3R cancel. Temperature of oxygen you want, molecular weight is 32. Helium is 4. molecular weight 4, and TP temperature 273 Kelvin. 4 8s are 32. That means temperature of oxygen is 8 into 273. Answer is given in Celsius. This we got in Kelvin. So 8 into 273 minus 273 Celsius. That means 7 into 273. 7 3s are 21. 7 into 7 49 and 2. 51. 7 2s are 14 and 5 9. Option
Done, sir.
the RMS speed of molecule of enclosed gas is CRMS. Okay. Pressure is made 4 times. Keeping temperature constant. See, whenever temperature is constant, always RMS speed is constant for same gas. कुछ मत देखना बाकी. Hello? Somebody will say, sir, I will write 3p by rho. Yeah, you write, nothing will happen. But rho is not constant. Na? You have to write this rho in terms of pressure, volume, temperature. So this is nothing but 3p upon mass upon volume, correct? If you start with pressure. So 3 pV upon m. What is pV at constant temperature? Is it constant? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, or either this or C is 3RT upon M. So when T is constant, C is constant. So can I say the RMS speed will remain? C2 will be same as C1, which is CRMS. Option C. Yes. Aniket, Tasmay, Rahul, Ankita.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Next week you will have many extra lectures, so be prepared. Starting from Sunday to Sunday. But it won't clash with your any other timetable. Without asking you, I will not keep anything.
Done, sir.
19. If the absolute temperature of gas is made 3 times, then RMS speed will be how much? C is proportional to root T. C1 upon C2 is T1 upon 3 T1 in root. So C2 will become root 3 times C1. Root 3 times option C.
Done, sir.
Okay, 1 second. At what temperature? At what temperature? मतलब T2 ले लेता हूँ. At what temperature? RMS velocity of gas will be half its value at 0 degree. Okay. This is 3RT2 upon m in root is half times 3RT1 upon m. Now by squaring, T2 is 1/4 of T1. So 1/4 of 273 Kelvin. Now we want answer in Celsius. So 1/4 into 273 minus 273 degrees Celsius. This will become minus 3/4 into 273 degrees Celsius. That is minus 819 upon 4. Minus 4 2 is 8, 0, 4 4 is 16. Remainder 3, 75. 204.75 degrees Celsius. Completed?
Yes, sir.
21. At the same temperature आया मतलब मेरे दिमाग में पहला एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी बात आ रही है. Pressure and volume of two gases, which of the following at same temperature, pressure, volume, which of the quantities is constant? Total number of molecule does not depends upon that. The average kinetic energy is constant. That means V. Rest all will depend upon even on number of molecules. RMS speed of mean square velocity of helium is 5/7 times that of hydrogen. If the temperature of hydrogen is given as 0 degrees Celsius, which is 273 Kelvin, then what is temperature of helium? Will you try this on your own? Please try. Then see on the screen. First you try.
Is it option D?
Yes, correct. because they want about means close to what? It is close to 5 degrees Celsius. Completed? Others have also completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The RMS speed of gas molecule is independent of density and pressure. No. Is same for all the gas at same temperature? No. Depends upon mass of gas and temperature? Yes. 3 kT upon m, so depends upon mass and temperature. This is correct. B option. Root means square velocity of gas molecule of mass m at given temperature. Mass m at given temperature is proportional to m, root of m, that means m raised to minus half. Option.
Done.
25th. RMS speed of particle of fume, which is smoke of mass. RMS speed we want. If mass is 5 into 10 raised to minus 70 kg, executing Brownian motion at NTP, that means 273 Kelvin. When mass of one molecule given, use 3 kT upon m. K is Boltzmann constant. Please remember the value of Boltzmann constant. Anybody remembers value of Boltzmann constant?
Is it 9 into 10 to the power 9?
No, how it can be 9? No? It is universal constant 8.314 upon that Avogadro number 6 point. So it is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. Yes, this Pahata into 273 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 17. So this I can write as 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9 and 2 11, 3 and 1 4 upon 5 into 273 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now, clear cut 10 raised to minus 3 you can bring, 6 you can bring outside. So this is approximately root of 0.458 are 40. One is not divisible, 40, 14. So 2 into, you can write 2.73 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now 0.2 into 2.7. Take it as close to 8. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 7, 56 to 58. 8 to the 16 and 5 21. 2.184 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. Root 2 is close to 1.4. So answer is C, because this is like root 2.184 centimeter per second, that is close to 1.5 centimeter per second. Options.
Done, sir.
Sum number 26. Average kinetic energy of gas molecule at temperature of 27 degrees Celsius is 6.21 into 10 raised to minus 21. This is 300. Then its average kinetic energy at temperature of 227 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 500 Kelvin, will be how much? Now, average kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So, first energy upon second is T1 upon, that is 300 upon 500. This is 6.21 10 raised to minus 21 upon E. So, E2 equals to 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2 is 10, and 31 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 20. So that will become 3 into 1, 0. Remember 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 into 10 raised to minus 21 joule. Options.
Done.
Next sum. Seven. Average kinetic energy of gas molecule at temperature of 27. Average kinetic energy is half m into RMS velocity. Half m 3 kp upon m root is the square. That will become half m 3 kp upon m, mm cancel. So 3 by 2 k is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23, and temperature is given 27, so 300 Kelvin. 3 into 0.69. So 900 into 0.69 into 10 raised to minus 20. 9 into 69 into 10 raised to minus 23. 9 nines are 81, carry 8, 54 and 8 will be 62. Into 10 raised to minus 23. That means 6.21 10 raised to minus 23 joule, 21 joule of sugar. Yes, completed.
Yes.
चलो लास्ट सम कर लेते हैं 28. Don't miss any lecture. If you are having any problem, please tell me every time. Kinetic energy, translation kinetic energy per unit volume is 3/2P and P is given as 10 raised to 5. So 1.5 into 10 raised to 5. That is option A. This answer. 29. Last 29. The temperature of gas is measure of average kinetic energy of the molecule of gas. Option A. Temperature is average kinetic energy of gas because it is directly proportional. So today we stop here.
Done, sir.
So tomorrow we'll meet morning 9 o'clock.